YouTube script, best laptops for coding, 7 minutes audience, graduation students. Opening scene, energetic music plays, host appears in a well-lit room with a laptop on the desk. Host: hey everyone. Are you a coding enthusiast or a recent grad about to start your programming journey? Choosing the right laptop can make or break your productivity. In this video, we'll dive into the top laptops for coding in 2024, tailored for students like you. Let's get started. Section 1. What makes a laptop good for coding? Overlay, text and visuals of key specs. Host. Before we jump into recommendations, let's quickly talk about what you need in a coding laptop. Here are the essentials. 1. Processor. Aim for at least an Intel Core i5 or AMD Ryzen 5 for smooth multitasking. 2. RAM. 8GB is the minimum, but 16GB is better for heavy coding tasks or running virtual machines. 3. Storage. SSDs are a must, faster boot times and quick file access. 4. Display. A 14 to 16-inch screen with full HD resolution is ideal for long coding sessions. 5. Battery life. You don't want to be tethered to a charger during those marathon coding sessions. Now that you know what to look for, let's check out some of the best options out there. Section 2. Budget-friendly options. Visuals of the laptops and prices appear on screen. Host. First, let's talk about laptops that are easy on the wallet but still pack enough power for coding. 1. Acer Aspire 5. Image appears. Specs: Intel Core i5, 8GB RAM, 512GB SSD. Price: around $550. Why it's great: affordable, decent performance, and good for light to medium coding tasks. 2. Lenovo IdeaPad 3. Image appears. Specs: AMD Ryzen 5, 8GB RAM, 256GB SSD. Price: around $500. Why it's great: solid performance at a low cost with good build quality. Section 3. Mid-range laptops. Host sits with a mid-range laptop on the desk. Host. Next, for those with a slightly higher budget, here are some mid-range options that offer incredible value. 1. Dell Inspiron 14 Plus. Image appears. Specs: Intel Core i7, 16GB RAM, 512GB SSD. Price: around $900. Why it's great: powerful enough for running heavy IDEs and multiple applications simultaneously. 2. HP Pavilion X360. Image appears. Specs: Intel Core i5, 16GB RAM, 512GB SSD. Price: around $850. Why it's great: a convertible laptop with great performance and portability. Section 4. High-end powerhouses. Host switches to a sleek, high-end laptop setup. Host. For those who want top-tier performance, maybe for data science, AI projects, or running multiple VMs, these high-end laptops are worth the investment. 1. Apple MacBook Pro 14-inch, M2 chip. Image appears. Specs: Apple M2 chip, 16GB RAM, 512GB SSD. Price: starting at $1,999. Why it's great: incredible battery life, seamless coding experience on macOS, and perfect for developers in the Apple ecosystem. 2. Dell XPS 15. Image appears. Specs: Intel Core i7, 16GB RAM, 1TB SSD. Price: around $1,800. Why it's great: stunning display, great performance, and a premium build. Section 5. Final tips and conclusion. Host back in the original setup. Host. Here's the thing: choosing the right laptop depends on your needs and budget. If you're just starting out, go for a budget option and upgrade later as you grow. And remember, software development is more about your skills than the device you use. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips and coding advice. What's your dream laptop for coding? Let me know in the comments below. Until next time, happy coding. Outro music plays, screen fades to the channel logo and a call to action. End screen. Clickable links to related videos appear on the side. Top 5 programming languages for 2024 Best tools for coding beginners.